Medical insurance claim secrets in Malaysia. This is a must watch for anyone with a medical card. There are three parties in this: the insurance companies, the private hospitals, and you and I, the patients. Insurance companies and private hospitals are like the two elephants on the left and right side, and then we, the patients, are like the deer in the middle of them. The first secret: you may not forever enjoy cashless hospital admission in the future. Why? Well, because it can be withdrawn by insurance companies overnight. How can insurance companies do that, right? Well, there is no clause, zero clause in any medical policy contract that legally guarantees that the insurance company must provide cashless admission to you to the hospital. It is a privilege, not a right. That means as a patient, you need to pay your entire medical bill in full before discharging and then file a reimbursement or claim from insurance companies. Wow, painful. As a patient, you may have had this doctor attend to you for the past 10 years, knowing all your past medical history, and you may feel unfair and upset to move to another doctor or even another hospital if the current doctor or the hospital says, sorry, cashless admission is no longer available for you with this particular medical card from this particular insurance company. Now, health is a very personal thing, and it is often frustrating to change doctors. Insurance companies do that for various reasons. Too sensitive to disclose here, but this ultimately gives them more control over what treatments, medications, and even procedures that they want to pay for their policy holders. Insurance companies argue that when a particular hospital charges have become unreasonably expensive, they will want to remove this hospital from their panel hospital list. Now, 10-20 years back, this rarely happened, but now it is becoming more common. To which Association of Private Hospital Malaysia say, you are not right to say like that, as this correlate with the rising healthcare costs and made worse by weak ringgit due to imported medical equipment and medicine. Life Insurance Association of Malaysia (LIAM) data shows that life insurance industry recorded a 34% increase in medical claims payout in 2022 to 6.16 billion from 2021. Now, this is the highest increase observed in recent years. The medical claims for the first half of 2023 recorded an increase of 31% as compared to the first half of 2022. Comparatively, the total annual health insurance premiums collected in 2022 was at 44 billion, comfortably outpacing the payout amount for 2022 over 7 times. At the same time, Life Insurance Association of Malaysia acknowledged that medical insurers have become more diligent in scrutinizing claims and matters pertaining to cashless admission in recent times. Now, this is the second secret. You may not get the medical treatment your doctor is recommending to you. In other words, insurance companies micromanage medical care to patients under their coverage. Association of Private Hospital Malaysia explained the scenario. Even after insurance companies issue a guarantee letter for a patient, in between and during their treatments, insurance company will question the doctor. Why are you doing this and why not that? Or question whether a medical test is even necessary in the first place. So the doctor is now stuck between a rock and a hard place. Now, because if a certain medical test is not done, then the doctor would not be able to proceed to do the right thing. Now, two things can happen here. The doctor would be forced to do something that costs less for the patient, and the alternative treatment may not be so suitable. Some insurers even control what sort of medication that is dispensed. The concern is that consumers do not even know that they are not getting the best treatment that's available out there. Of course, to be fair, Association of Private Hospital Malaysia also say this. There is this existence of black sheep doctors and hospitals which have the tendency to prescribe unnecessary treatments or medications. Example, patient might have a broken bone and doctor may call for MRI instead of just an X-ray. In every sector, there will be such black sheep, but this is not across the board. So, say it suggests is to blacklist only the doctors who do such a thing. The Association of Private Hospitals of Malaysia further adds, do not punish the entire hospital just because of these 1 or 2 doctors who were unethical. In which Life Insurance Association of Malaysia, however, says that it is absolutely ridiculous to say that the right healthcare coverage and treatment delivery to patients have been denied. You see, the more strict measures are part of any health insurance company cost control measures to manage their financial risk and prevent overutilization of medical services. Health insurers often negotiate contracts with specific hospitals to create preferred provider networks. If certain hospitals do not meet the insurance criteria or cost effectiveness, they may be excluded from these cashless admission facilities or convenience. Now, the claims data in 2018 show that hospital supplies and services accounted for 60 to 70% of claimable surgical and non-surgical treatment costs in Malaysia. Private hospital charges in Malaysia are not regulated compared to the other 30-40% doctor procedure or consultation fees. Now, here comes the number 3 secret. Patients sometimes can also be at fault here. Example, there are cases of Malaysians going to eye specialists to do LASIK surgery, which is not claimable under any medical card, but they try to get it billed as a cataract surgery. There's even doctor who tell me that once a female patient came to his clinic for medical examination for insurance application, and that includes an ultrasound for the purpose of medical insurance application. Now, it's discovered a cyst or multiple cysts in her female organs, but she begged the doctor to not disclose the presence of cysts in the report so the insurance company would not know. Have you had any unpleasant experience? Describe, share your stories. I would love to hear them. And if you want advice from an advisor who dares to tell you everything some agents might not be able to tell you, check out case study from a client. Engage me to make informed decisions before paying for that medical card for life. Watch the next video. What best medical card criteria you want to look for?